Woo! Yeah, baby.
Coming in hot.
That's a big boy.
Ooh, that's a keeper right there. No!
Son of a bitch.
I'm on. I'm on, guys. What is this? I got the rocks, boys. I got one. Hey, Dan, this is for you, man. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I finally got my cousin Alain out on his boat for his first time fishing on it.
We're gonna catch some fish, baby.
All right.
It's going down.
You know who that is back there? That's my cousin Robert. That's Jay.
Yeah, my dude doesn't give you in front of him.
And we're going out of Key Largo. Let's see if we catch some. We're gonna go catch some groceries, baby. Let's go. Nice little blue line.
Yeah.
That's good bait too.
You throw for, I think for a loop, right?
Yeah. Oh.
You're on.
There you go. Yeah, that's a good one there.
Up here. Your hand up here. You got more leverage.
Woo!
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, slow down. Bring it in. Throw it in. Swing it in.
There you go.
A little baby.
And Primo got his first yellowtail down.
Here you go.
That's a nice tail, man. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. That'll keep. Give me the rod, Jay. Measure him up. Right down there. Measure him up right there. Put him head first. Probably a good 15, 16 inch right there, bro.
Think so?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Oh, yeah.
Like 14,
Yeah.
though.
It's 14 and 14 and a half.
That's it.
Perfect.
From the low tip, that's how you
Yeah,
measure?
yeah. Robert's on? Yep, Robert's on.
Where do you want me to put it?
And that white cooler. Ooh, that's a nice one there too, Robert.
Shit, Rob, you got a good one. Yo.
Nice. That's a good one too.
That's not a yellow.
Was that a jack? Oh no, that's a nice little. That's a nice tail. Let's keep it right there too. Let's go.
Yeah, you gotta watch out with the top. That's a keeper, baby. Oh, it's just too tight. Yeah, dude, no hole. It was all the way tight. Bring my ass off.
Vamos, eso le meto la mano adentro.
I got it. No. They have teeth.
Le meto la mano adentro.
Vamos del.
They got teeth. Where the pliers?
There. You know, 2 casts, 2 fish in the boat.
Oh shit.
One time the cooler?
Measure it up right there.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, you don't gotta measure that one. Yeah, 13, 14. No, it's 14. You what?
Something.
Yes, sir. Good stuff.
Where is it?
Adelante. Getting nibbles. Come on, swallow it, buddy. Swallow it. Oh, Robert's on. Or is that you're finding the current?
There was something, but it
Yeah? Came off?
yeah, it wasn't yet, though.
That's a good one.
We're on.
Don't swing, just swing. That's another like 14.
Motherfucker.
No!
Son of a bitch.
I didn't see it, bro.
Oh, I'm on.
Think so?
I'm on, guys.
The bottom one?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
This is where we need the net. Being cut.
Doesn't feel too big.
Being cut, you set it off.
What the hell is this? I got the rocks, boys! I got one! Hey, Dan, this is for you, man. I think I beat you with the bigger coral.
Let me get a...
I'm taking over your name.
You got a square grouper?
Yeah, I got a square grouper. You wish it was a square grouper. Ooh, that's a keeper right there.
Yeah.
Close.
Yeah, that's close.
Where's it at?
Exactly.
Yeah.
The strength, I guess.
Hey, you throw him back.
No, serious.
Yeah, throw him back. Too close for comfort.
What you got, little mama?
With a small pork fish.
Better, but it's still...
Baby shark.
Oh, it's a keeper.
That's a keeper.
It's a keeper.
Stretchy.
Motherfucker.
Break his back. Break his back and make him big. I hope he's 12. If not, you killed him.
Sir, are you 12?
I think he is, dude. Yeah, way bigger. At least 13. On my way. 0.
12 and a half.
Esa mismo is going
13.
to the food. Yep, he's good to go.
All of them were 20.
When my cousin and stepson are messing around with yellowtails, I threw a nice, fat, juicy ballyhoo on this little bigger rod. Let's see what decides to bite. It's getting nibbles already. Oh, Primo's on?
I'm on. Here we go. Come on, baby. Let's go.
This one's going to the grill.
This one's going to the grill.
Is there?
This one's going to the grill.
Or ceviche?
Hold on. Oh, no.
Yo, we got a mahi jumper.
Oh, shit. Look, you got something behind it.
Probably a barracuda.
Oh.
What was it? What was it, Robert? You saw it?
I didn't see it.
No?
It's like a 12. It's like right there a keeper.
Yeah, that was close.
Oh, yo. I think it's the same one, bro. We got something going on.
You got his little cousin. Huh?
Here we go. Hot stuff.
Oh, that's a good one.
Dale.
Oh, yeah. That's a better one. Not a monster, but a better
Woo! Yeah, baby.
Coming in hot.
Woo, baby.
It's a good one.
Jay, come
Oh,
on. Jay.
he got a hound.
I'm coming in.
He got a houndfish. He got a small yellowtail.
What you got, bro?
He got a houndfish. Needle nose. That's the Cuban tarpon.
Eso no se come.
I've seen land shark eat them, bro. Just get upgraded?
Hold up.
Did he get
I
upgraded?
think I got upgraded. I got the premium. No, I didn't. Lie to me, baby. Lie to me.
Open the bell. Alright guys, so we're at the last spot. Got about 7 or 8 keeper yellowtail. El Primo line caught like 30 small ones. I haven't caught one yet.
Sample size.
I haven't caught one yet. All I caught was a big fat piece of rock. Shout out to Dan, Florida Fishing Couple. I'm coming for you, Dan. The king of the rock. So from here we're gonna troll all the way back in and let's see what we catch, man. Stay tuned. We're on the way in, trolling a bucktail and a weedless squid rig, and look what we're running into. Bam. Right into that little cloud. Might be getting wet soon. That'll be good. All right, let's see if we get hit on the way. See if we get hit on the way in. Alright guys, we're back. Me and my cousin are lying. Are just gonna go ahead and take the scales off of these yellowtails. I'm gonna go ahead and fillet them, leave the skin on. We can put them on the grill. Not the best day, but you know what? We had a great time. And we got some fish for the grill. Stay tuned, we're gonna go on the grill soon. Well, I'm here cleaning fish with my cousin. Jay out here is freaking catching and snagging little small barracudas. Little barracuda.
Oye, first fillet goes to whoever puts their finger inside their mouth.
Mete el dedo ahí, primo. Mete el dedo. Let's let him go.
They're not going for the...
That's a big snapper right there.
Yeah, I know. They're not going
Oh, that's a big mangrove. All right, let's keep cleaning these fish. Nice little handful of yellowtail snapper. Nice and clean. Ready to go. Next stop, the grill. First grilled yellowtail. Alright guys, the fish is off the grill and everybody's about to taste it. Primo, try it.
Let me see. This looks amazing, bro. Oh my god, look at the skin, bro. Oh,
Está frío, it's cold?
fire, bro. Oh,
Alright, wanna try it?
so good.
Try it.
Wow.
Just get a piece, bro. There's keys living, bro. You eat with your hands here in the keys.
Sir. Oh, it's good.
Yeah, the silence is golden there for him.
That's right.
What do you think, Prima?
Amazing.
Hey, man, that was a short day on the water. Got some fish. Had a great time with Los Primo and my stepson Jay. Guys, if you guys haven't subscribed yet or like or smash that like, go ahead and do so right now because y'all gonna enjoy the same thing we're gonna enjoy. Until next time, keep that line tight.